The new Queens Library Discovery Center is one of the first children's libraries to combine interactive scientific exhibits with standard library offerings. Its mission is to combine the two primary ways that children learn: real life experience and research. Hi, I'm Faith Rose, the Senior Design Liaison at the New York City Department of Design and Construction, and we are at the Children's Library Discovery Center in Queens, New York. Located in a 22,000 square foot addition to the Queens Central Library in downtown Jamaica, the Discovery Center is on several MTA bus routes and 2 blocks from the F train. This extraordinary addition is the result of a library system's clear and ambitious goal, matched with the city's Design Excellence Program, which awarded the contract for this project to the firm 1100 Architect.
My name is Jürgen Riem, principal at 1100 Architect, principal in charge for the project Children's Library Discovery Center. The name Children's Library Discovery Center was already existing when you started the project, and it is a unique concept the library developed together with the Exploratorium, which combines a typical children's library with a science museum concept.
They wanted to marry the more typical book learning that you would find in the library with the more experiential learning that you would get more in a children's museum. This translates programmatically into, on the first floor, an open area when you walk in that has plazas with exhibits designed by the Exploratorium with various scientific themes. Here we are at one of the Discovery Plazas. As you can see, they've been designed so that we have the exhibit itself, the books about whatever the scientific property is, and also an area for kids to display what they've learned about the subject matter. The design of the early childhood area is based on the idea of water as an intuitive introduction to science and a tool for learning the basics of reading. A lively graphic mural depicts all things aquatic, interweaving images and letters in a full-size alphabet primer. In addition to their very standard programmatic spaces, which include the stacks, the cyber center, a reading area with hard seating and tables, as well as soft seating, and the multi-purpose space, they also have dotted throughout the open areas and also within the shelves themselves scientific exhibits and experiments that the kids can actually manipulate and work with. I'm standing here at the entrance of the Children's Library Discovery Center above a very inventive and iconic map of the borough. It's placed here at the entrance in order to give the kids, when they enter, a sense of their borough that they belong to and all of the exciting things that occur within their borough.
Be it the stadiums, the airport, as well also all the different libraries as part of the Queens Library system. We took that very much as an inspiration to use the component of discovery, also architecturally.
The Queens Library is a great client to design for because they come to the table with a very clear set of program requirements and also a very solid understanding of what their mission is.
Early on in our discussions with the library and what the library stands for, the word was used, how can we create a beacon for the community? In terms of trying to achieve this beacon effect, we thought of the facade being an all-glass box, almost like a jewel-like element in the community. We employed 4 different types of glass, one being the transparent glass you can look into the library, a fretted obscured glass, both a regular white opaque glass and also to give it some texture, literally textured glass, to make it not too sleek appearing on the outside. A similar kind of treatment manifests itself also on the interior facade. Here we introduced also a patterned wall treatment with viewing portholes which connect both a view from the outside in and the inside out. One element of the key elements of the space is the centrally located staircase and elevator core. Another also sculpturally treated element is the ceiling. In this case, a undulated folded ceiling which provides both an aesthetic solution for the space but also hides all the infrastructure, be it lighting, air distribution into the space. We always try to incorporate as much of sustainable elements into a project. And in this particular project, we were able to incorporate radiant floor heating, very energy efficient, an exterior skin, which is high performing, a lighting system, which is energy efficient, use of reclaimed, recycled, and locally available materials, and also as a special aspect, a new power plant to provide heating and cooling, not only for the library, the children's library, but also the central library itself.
Other sustainable features include daylighting, maximizing views, the use of low VOC finishes, low-flow plumbing fixtures to conserve water, green housekeeping, and green education through explanatory signage.
Here it's for us important that we as architects have the capacity to really change the environment. As part of the Design Excellence Program of BDC, we were fortunate to just do that. The Children's Library Discovery Center is one great example of that.
And in this case, to see the kids so excited about learning and making connections between the different ways of learning and really just using this library to their fullest is incredibly satisfying.